Hi, I'm Scott from SuperPro. I just want to talk you through our new release for the 8th gen Hilux, the new version. We've released lower control arm bushes for the vehicle. A lifted vehicle puts a lot of extra pressure on the OE control arm bushes. Being rubber, being soft, an upgrade to SuperPro will help control the movement of the lower arm. These are essentially the same as the previous model with just a tube change. So we've been able to bring forward the lower inner bushes off the previous model, but we've had to make a few tube and washer changes to make it fit correctly. We've done them in a standard version. We've also done them in an offset version that allows for extra camber and caster adjustment on the lifted vehicle. Add to that, we've actually released a full set of camber bolts for the bottom, and if the previous model's anything to go by, these will save you all the drama when you have to angle grind the rusted in OE ones out of the vehicle. We've got the part numbers 5028 is the inner front kit, 5027 is the inner rear kit, both of them in an XK as well for the extra camber and caster adjustment that you may need on a lifted vehicle. So there we have it, the lower inner control arm bushes completely sorted for the new 8th gen Hilux. Thanks for listening.